Meaning of forswear.
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 Forswear. The word forswear means to renounce or give up something, often under oath or promise. It is a formal way of saying that someone has pledged to no longer engage in a certain behavior or activity. When someone forswears something, they are essentially making a commitment to avoid it in the future. The consequences of forswearing can vary depending on the situation, but it generally involves a significant change in behavior or attitude. Forswearing can be a difficult and sometimes painful process, but it can also lead to personal growth and new opportunities.